What's going on, everybody? It is your man Cleveland Terry, and we are still on Corona break, so I figured let's talk a little bit about how to watch my videos. So here are 5 things that you should know when watching my videos. All right, so let's see what this guy's got going on. God, I hate this guy. Oh man, let me just see. So, I hate his face. Hate his face. Dislike. Can't see anymore. Look, we should probably stop disliking videos in the first 30 seconds. You know, I'm gonna say some things, and sometimes my videos take a little while to get going or to actually break down the information that I'm talking about. So if you're disliking a video within the first 30 seconds, you're not actually open to anything that I'm saying. So I guess the question would be, why are you even watching my videos? Oh, by the way, if you dislike a video or like a video, it doesn't change the way YouTube sees it. They just see it as engagement. Just keep that in mind. You see, the display is still active. You're still seeing the display, which means... Oh, what an idiot. Dude, you're an idiot. You're an idiot. It's a sticker. How do you not know that? You're so stupid, you Okay, look, when we say something incorrectly, don't go off on us. We're human and we make mistakes. Sometimes we're super tired or we misread a quote and sometimes it comes out wrong. That's what humans do. It happens. I mean, to be honest with you, I'll do an entire video and I'll still have people posting, well, you didn't say this or you should have said this when it was in the video. So none of us are perfect. None of us at all. Beautiful. Huh. That's a great video. That was a great video. I'm not gonna like it though. I don't know. It's too hard to hit the button. If you like the video, it would mean a whole lot to me if you would actually click on that little like button. Look, liking, making comments, engagement, those are all the things that tell me and that tell YouTube how much traction a particular video is getting. The fact that you liked something tells me I'm on the right track. Maybe you like that particular topic or you like that format. So the next video I do, maybe I try the same format. It helps kind of guide me, so it helps me help you. The more likes, the more engagement I get, the more that YouTube sees it as something positive, then it promotes my videos. Hence we get more engagement and more likes, more subscribers, and everybody wins. Complaining about a way a YouTube topic is worded doesn't really do anything. We actually have to word our titles in a specific way so they gain traction, so people are actually interested in looking at the videos. It's the nature of the game. I mean, I would love to say, hey, come check out this product. It's great. That doesn't work as well as, hey, come check out that product. Will I switch to this new product? There's a huge difference. I'm saying the same thing, but I have to add in that little thing because that's what people gravitate to. It's the way the game is played. That's YouTube for you. Stop playing whole song. You know what? Who the does this guy think he is? Who died and made you God? You're gonna tell me what I know to be true? Man, this guy. Now, I make videos to provide a personal perspective to things that I'm interested in. Some of you may gravitate to it, others may not. And that's okay. My perspectives and opinions are not wrong, just as much as your perspectives and opinions are not right. They just are. Well, some of you may be wrong. However, a lot of the opinions that I post are based upon actual research and actual experience using the product. So my opinions might be weighted a little differently, but it still doesn't change the fact that it's just an opinion. You gotta let it go. I don't claim to have all the answers, and I don't claim that my answer is the only answer. And it's your job to interpret what I'm saying and figure out if you've gleaned something from it. That's it. That's all of my videos are for. My videos are there to potentially help you. Some people I'm gonna help, others I'm not, but it's always designed to be out there in a positive nature. That's the way I design my videos. I'm not here to piss people off. I'm not here to tell you that you're stupid for buying a certain product or using a certain product. That's you. I can only talk about what I use and how it impacts me or what I see happening in the future. All right, guys, if you found what I said here useful, hit that like button. If you found what I said here really useful, today, debatable, hit that subscribe button. Coronavirus, week 1, quarantine. I'm actually going through all of my videos, all of my video topics that I've had, in my notes section here, and I'm gonna knock out as many as I can. And this one, may or may not be one that matters to most people, but sometimes people wanna know a little bit about me. Speaking of a little bit about me, I do still have that video to shoot, the get to know me video, which I will post probably in the next day or so. I just gotta compile all the questions that people have asked in the past. I'm gonna put that up. Make sure you follow me on the Instagrams and the Twitters right here. As I said in the previous video, which is actually going to be the next video because I already shot it, but I'm gonna put it out after this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm putting a lot of like my DJ stuff, quick mixes, quick ideas. Those are all going on Instagram because they're just easy to do and I can get them on really, really fast. So make sure you follow me there. And guys, always a pleasure. If I don't talk to you later, we'll talk soon. Peace.